Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a Roblox cute free avatar. So creating a cute free avatar in Roblox without spending Robux is totally possible. And through this video, I'm going to show you a way on how you can do it. So first, you can just open your Roblox and then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top, and then just use this keyword free item game, and you can just scroll down until you find this games right here, a Sunsilk hair care lab icon. Click on that and join the game. Tap on play button. So once you've already in the game, you will see the arrow that you can follow. So you can just find the arrows with your name on it. Okay, so this is my name. You can just follow it. If you are new to this game, there will be arrow that you can follow, but since I already joined before, there's no arrow, so I can just go in here. So as you guys can see here, I got money in here. So what you need to do is just go to the ATM and collect the money. You can see I got the money and you can spend it on the game. So once you think that you collected enough money, so as you guys can see, this is my avatar and I got also this free look from this game. From the money I earned from this game, you can just if you already earn enough money, you can just tap on the Roblox icon and leave the game. Click on leave. Okay, so after you leave the game, you can just go to the avatar menu in here at the bottom, and what you need to do is just click on customize and find the free items that you got. You can equip uh all of the items that you want. So this is the hair. I'm going to just go with the straight blonde hair. You can apply, change the skin to how you like it. You can choose which one that you think fits with your looks, and you can also customize your clothes. You can change or add some accessory in here if you want to. You can see I get some free items that I can equip to my avatar. So you can just choose which one that you want. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.